It is time for another property tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney, with America's Realty Group, brokered by Compass. And today, guys, we are in Celina, Texas, at Hewitt Custom Homes. And the list price on this property is $3,795,000. The address is 4200 American Faro Way. And the zip code is 75009. And we are live, y'all, at Mustang Lakes. That is the neighborhood. And this is 6 beds, 7 baths, 1 fireplace. And that 7 baths, y'all, is 6 full baths, 1 half bath. Does have a pool, which we'll see in a little bit. 6,800 square feet, 2024, brand new construction. 5-car garage, 1.380 acres, and there is an HOA, which is $175 monthly. And even though this is in Celina, Texas, it is zoned to the prestigious Prosper ISD, Sam Johnson Elementary School, Reynolds Middle School, and Walnut Grove High School. And again, y'all, this is Hewitt Custom Homes. So, Ani Hewitt is the owner of Hewitt Custom Homes. He is a fantastic guy. If you ever get to meet him, super lucky. He really listens to what you need and what you want. And, meeting that budget when building the house. He's at his home sites every day, so he absolutely keeps an eye on the project 24/7. So you can rest assured if you guys are reloads or even, nearby, rest assured that he has everything under control. And he is partnered with his son Harrison and his wife Lauren, also fantastic people. So I definitely encourage you to reach out to him on his website and tell him Alex Maloney referred you to him. And then shoot me a text or call. Let me know you did that. We can confirm and get the process started on building your dream home. But he does fantastic work. Very, very, very quality. We're strolling around, y'all. Fantastic property. This is a full 1-story. And as always, please smash that subscribe button to join the YouTube family of America's Realtor. And if you're interested in moving to the DFW Metroplex, please visit my website at www.alexpmaloney.com or head to my Instagram or TikTok and fill out an inquiry form. And one of our team members will be with you shortly to find your home or dream home. And as always, I put this stuff in the description below. So go ahead and take a look at that whenever y'all can. And please let me know in the comments below if you would live in a full 1-story like this one. And I'm going to go ahead and cue the music, let y'all enjoy this property tour. And I'll see y'all on the next one.
Shooting star in the sky, glimpse of hope in your eyes. Burn the old me together, finding you was a missing part. Feels like it's a start. And I will stay in comfortable silence. I won't talk about myself in violence. Ever since you. Ever since you. place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. Don't tell your friends, we'll let them know we're safe later on. The road's calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with